Dinjong for has 50 to 500 grams powder filling line introduced, including a scramble, filling, capping, foil sealing, labeling, inkjet printing, collecting table, twins 50 titles sans selling side oven, hopper, easy to clean, change screw quickly for different weight, and clean after pack, bottles on turner scrambler, wheel transfers to, belt conveyor automatically, bottles are conveyed to the forehead filling machine, it will filling 4 bottles each time, to get fast speed. After filling powder, bottles come to the capping machine then capping. After capping then labeling bottles, the sensor detects that the product passes through the coating device, driving the product to turn, and the label is rolled over. Finally, inside products come to the collect table. Worker can put them into cartons, then it is finished. Excellent quality expand the market. Dedicated service when the future. DGM packaging machinery. Design. Reliable packaging solutions for you with 20 years experience.